Okay guys, so the problem I'm having is that this LG is flashing. The screen keeps flashing. I've disassembled the whole TV because I'm pretty sure it's the shorted LED strips. Not even sure if I'll fix it though, but I just wanted to show everybody. Taking that out is really difficult. Putting it back in, I'm pretty sure will be even more difficult. Well, let me show you. So it's blinking really fast now, but if the cover was on, you would be able to see the flashes clearly, but that's the problem. As you can see, only a few are turning on, and the reason for that is because the power supply is okay, but it's trying to supply voltage to a short circuit, and it's not able to. So I'm probably gonna have to find the one that's bad and then see if I can repair it.